Question: in a lead acid cell, sponges lead from the dash active material, answer negative active material. Next question: which primary cell has the highest voltage, answer lithium. Next question: it is noticed that during discharging what happened, answer both anode and cathode become PbSO4. Specific gravity of H2SO is decreased and voltage of the cell is decreased. Next question: the dash of a cell is given by the product of current in ampere and the time in hours during which the cell can supply current until its EMF falls to 1.8 volt, answer capacity of a cell. Next question: while preparing electrolyte for a lead acid battery, answer acid is poured into water. Next question: the ampere hour efficiency of a lead acid cell are normally between, answer 90 to 95%. Next question: the dash of plates not only decrease the internal resistance but additionally increase the capacity of the cell, also, answer interlacing. Next question: which battery is used for aircraft, answer dry cell battery. Question: the minimum voltage required to decompose an electrolyte is called the dash voltage for the electrolyte, answer decomposition. Next question: for a cell to work, which conditions become necessary, answer two electrodes of different metals should be inserted in the electrolyte not touching each other. Electrolytes must chemically react with one of the electrodes and electrolyte liquid or paste should be conductivity. Next question: it is noticed that during charging, answer there is a rise in voltage, energy is absorbed by the cell and specific gravity of H2SO4 is increased. The anode becomes chocolate brown in color PbO2 and cathode becomes gray metallic lead. Next question: lead peroxide is dash in color, answer dark brown. Next question: which primary cell has the lowest voltage, answer mercury. Next question: it is noticed that during discharging which does not have an, answer the cell absorbed energy. Question: the charge required to liberate 1 gram equivalent of any substance is known as dash constant, answer Faraday's constant. Next question: short circuiting of a cell may be caused by, answer buckling of plates, faulty separators, lead particle formed circuit between positive and negative plates, MCQ accumulation of sediment. Next question: those substances of the cell which take active part in chemical combination and hence produce electricity during charging or discharging are known as dash materials, answer active materials. Next question: the opposing EMF which is produced in an electrolyte due to the absorption of gases ion by the electrolyte from the two electrode is known as the back EMF of electrolysis or, answer polarization. Next question: in a battery cover is placed over the element and sealed to the top of the battery container, answer this is done, answer to discharge both of the above function. Next question: in a lead acid dilute sulfuric acid approximately compares the following, answer 3 part H2O and 1 part of H2SO4. Question: that storage battery can be revived by, answer connected the battery to a higher ampere charger. Next question: the second law of Dash laws of electrolysis state that the masses of ion of different substance liberated by the same quantity of electricity are proportional to their chemical equivalent weightage, answer Faraday's law. Next question: to avoid freezing in cold weather, specific gravity of electrolyte of a lead acid cell should be kept above, answer 1.225. Next question: as compared to a lead acid cell, the efficiency of nickel iron cell is less due to its, answer higher internal resistance. Next question: as per Faraday's law, electrolysis M is equal to ZIT, yes or no, answer yes. Next question: charging a sulfated battery at high rated result in, answer boiling of electrolyte due to gassing, warping of plates, damage to separate cell caps covered and battery case due to execute temperature. Next question: trickle charging of a storage battery helps to, answer keep it fresh and fully charged.